pretty, 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 pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. So pretty.
Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be using some of the items that I got out of my Boxycharm. This is the Boxy Luck box in December. First off, I'm going in with this Violet Boss palette, which is just bomb. I've never used a Violet Boss palette, but oh my gosh, it is buttery, honey. It is so nice. So today I'm going to be doing like a little yellowish, orangey kind of sunset look, you know? So yeah, this look pretty much just took a lot of blending. As you can see, I'm going in with really warm shades of orange, and then I'm deepening it up with a brown. Then I'm gonna go into some burgundy, so you guys can just go on ahead and watch me work some magic, honey.
Batman, yeah, why not? Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Batman, yeah, why not? Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Your friends, they tell you, say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me.
One thing that I've learned the most out of eyeshadow application is definitely the brushes that you're using. As you can see, I'm interchanging between a small pencil brush to lay down the shade, as you guys can see right here, a fluffier brush to blend out the edges so that it's not looking harsh. And this is very crucial when you want to make sure that you're getting a really good blend on your eyeshadow and all the colors are staying placed where you want to place it. So definitely, if you feel like you want to just sharpen your eyeshadow skills, which of course I'm still learning as well, definitely invest in your tools. It will make the world of difference, you know. I used to think that it was all about the product, but then I realized that the tools, what you're using to apply the shadows, is gonna just make the biggest difference in the world. Okay, you guys? For foundation, today I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop No Filter foundation. All shades will be listed down below because I really can't remember exactly the shade that I use. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face, and then I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, which is actually really good and highly inexpensive. So it's a really good inexpensive one if you're looking for one. For concealer, I'm again gonna go ahead and just, I'm just keeping it ColourPop today. So again, shades will be down below. This is a ColourPop concealer, which I really actually like the ColourPop skin items, like the concealer and the foundation and stuff like that. I like it. Another affordable, very affordable item. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out with my beauty blender. To set that, I'm gonna go in with my Airspun powder, another inexpensive, awesome find. This is like what, $7-8. I got mine on Walmart.com, and it works so good. For contour, I'm going in with the Black Up contour palette, and this is just like an oldie but goodie. I've been using this forever, and I just really like this contour powder. To set my entire face, I'm going in with my True Match powder from L'Oreal in the shade C6 Soft Sable, and then I'm using that blush and highlight palette out of the Boxycharm Boxy Luxe box. It's really nice. I mean, again, I'm not a blush girl, but as you can see, it's just a very nice soft wash of color. Then I went in with that kind of the darker highlighting in that palette, but on this side I went in with the golds, honey, and that I just went crazy. I just put gold all over the face, honey. So as you can see, the palette works, you know, it's fairly nice. It's very like, you know, kind of toned down, but it's really, really cute, especially for like an everyday situation. Back in with that awesome Violet Boss palette. I'm telling you, since I got that Violet Boss palette in that January Boxycharm, I have been using that thing like I don't know what, okay? Every time I go out, to be honest, that is what I reach for. Now for this Lorac Pro Mascara, another item that I received in my Boxy Luxe product. This is an item that I kind of had to work with. You see the bend in that mascara wand? Something that I kind of had to work with for the top lashes, but for the bottom lashes, honey, I like it for the bottom lashes. Top lashes, I'm not quite sure yet. As you guys know, I don't use falsies, so I need my lashes to be booming. I'm not sure if it was giving me booming, but it was giving me boom. For the lips, I went ahead and again with ColourPop. This is a ColourPop liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to apply a very, very nice lip gloss that I received in the Boxycharm box. So we had like some really, really good finds in this pack. Boxy. I always look forward to my Boxycharm, but in this video I just decided to put my items to work so you guys can see exactly what's good. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, join the family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Deuces!
They be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I want it more. My people, them I want it more. In all the place.